Welcome to this video. In this video, I've got a really good one for you because it will help you dominate any niche. And what I mean by that is I'm going to show you a simple keyword research method, something that you can start out with in any niche. This will also help you so it's predominantly for affiliate sites, but if you've got a business, this will really help you because it will give you a good look at your main keywords, give you a good look at more in-depth keywords and then long-tail keywords, and it focuses on user intent, which I'll explain as well. I'm also going to give you the prompt that I use on ChatGPT, so you can do exactly the same. And the way you want to use this is if you're going into a niche, if you're researching a niche and you're wondering whether it's actually going to be a good niche and you're not sure, then you can take this information, then go to your favorite keyword tool. I use SE ranking, SEMrush, Ahrefs, anything like that will help you then delve into some of these keywords and see search volumes and competition and so on. If you're interested in going more in depth into keyword research, check out the link below. You'll find a link to the Azon Launchpad. This is a special webinar that's taking place to guide you through how to get ranked within 10 pages of content, because people have said SEO is harder, you can't get any results with it, it takes too long. I'm actually putting my money where my mouth is, giving you a full guarantee and guiding you through exactly how to do keyword research so you can start getting buyer traffic on affiliate sites within 10 pieces of content. So do check that out below, it's in the description. Okay, here we go. So firstly, the prompt. This is what you want to do with your niche. You can see here I've put create a visual representation like a mind map or a chart that illustrates the keyword universe for the topic fish finders. Now obviously you change that to whatever your niche is, but start really wide, okay? Don't dive down into subcategories or anything. Go as wide as possible for your topic, because then you ask ChatGPT to include primary, secondary, and long tail keywords. Show the hierarchical relationships between these keywords and group them based on themes, user intent, or relevance. Highlight any particularly high potential or low competition keywords. I can't speak, guys, but you can see it on your screen, I hope. Highlight any particularly high potential or low competition keywords and ensure the visualization is clear and easy to understand. What it then did was for fish finders is, you can see here, I'll guide you through it. The primary keywords are obviously your main base keywords. So if you're going to take these to a keyword tool, you type these in first. That will give you a full bird's eye view of the niche. They're really wide. They're not overly targeted. Of course, they relate in sales, but the problem with primary keywords is they're going to be hard to rank for. But you can see here, fish finders, sonar fish finders, GPS fish finders, just touching on the different types very broadly. The secondary keywords, as it says here, is more specific terms branching off the primary ones: portable fish finders, ice, fishing sonar, boat GPS systems, and so on. So these are the keywords that you'll dive down, and you can find some really good ones there. Then you've got long tail keywords, which you will have heard a lot about. Highly specific, often less competitive, and indicate strong user intent. Best portable fish finders for kayaks, affordable ice fishing, sonar systems, how to install fish finder on boat, top GPS fish finders for deep sea fishing, and fish finder reviews. Then you've got themes and user intent groupings. What this tells you is where those keywords fall into. So really in the fish finding niche area, like niche, you've got different product types, you've got the keywords around usage and application, guidance and advice, and comparison and reviews. And that can really help you because you can then group your keywords based on buying keywords. So you've got like product types, usage, application, guidance, and comparisons. And that means that when you're trying to get sales, you're not just writing guidance, advice, articles or blog posts that won't relate into sales. And then you've got high potential or low competition keywords: portable fish finders, GPS fish finders. Low competition is best portable fish finder for kayaks, affordable ice fishing sonar systems. So what you then want to do to take this further is get your keyword tool fired up and take some of the long tail keywords and take some of the low competition keywords and check search volumes, check competition, and make sure that they check out in a competition standpoint. And what it will do is make sure that you have really, really targeted keywords that will result in sales. The other thing that you can do is just load in one of the primary keywords and see what comes up, because if you do that in a keyword tool like SE ranking, it will give you additional keywords anyway. So it's a really great way to see what comes up and give you a full base of keywords. My main advice to you is when you're starting out in a niche, go for, in terms of keywords, go for your secondary and long tail keywords that have very, very high buyer intent. Again, they will be less competitive. They will be far more targeted. You're not going to get a huge amount of traffic from them, but the traffic you do get will result into sales. If you're interested in doing that, check out the webinar, Azon Launchpad. I'm going to go into this and other keyword methods that I actually use in my SEO agency, so you can do this, and the keyword methods that I use for businesses to rank them and what I focus on first. So if you're interested in that, if you're just going to use this video, use that prompt, get your keywords, take the secondary and the long tail, load it into a good keyword tool, and pick out the ones with the low competition. So that will give you just a very basic guide, but very powerful, that will allow you to get ranked. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Um, Let me know if you need any help with expanding on the prompt. You can actually expand on the prompt. You can get more keywords here. So I might add a comment below with how you can expand on it as well. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to delve right into how to do keyword research so you can get results, check out Azon Launchpad. You will go through to this page. You'll be able to see all of the details at the top. Quite simply, it's a webinar to show you how fast you can get affiliate sites working, ranking, and making money. Guaranteed to rank with 10 pages of content. I'm guaranteeing that as well with the way I show you. And this is who it's for. If you're a bit jaded, a bit like this doesn't work, if you've tried affiliate sites, if you can't get them working, you're going to love it. It's precisely for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's ridiculously inexpensive, and you'll get way more in value. I won't bang on about it, but it's on Wednesday, November the 8th. The spots are limited. There will be replays. You get a massive bonus, a webinar treasure chest. There's about 40 webinars in there, so you'll be overloaded, but they're really, really good, if I do say so myself. So I hope to see you. I'll put the link below. Give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Cheers, guys.